So hello guys, for today we're gonna install Docker in our system unit. So for me, it's already installed in my new system unit already here, but I'm still gonna teach you on how to download it. So it's a bit tricky on how to install Docker. So first is we go on our start, we search PowerShell, then we type WSL. So the output it should have is like this. So if it's not like that, it means that WSL is not enabled to your unit. So you need to enable first WSL in your Windows. So if it's enabled, you can start now in installing. So just go to Docker download. There you go. Then click on the first link, Docker desktop. And when you click download Docker desktop, it will pop up uh, other operating system. So it has Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. So in my case, I download for Windows AMD64. Then you will just download it. So in my case, it's already installed or downloaded. So on this one, just click on Docker desktop installer. So it will pop up like in the side. So you just click yes on your user control or in your admin site. Then after that, it will just verify some package in here and you just need to install sort. So in my case, it's already existing installation is already up to date. So it will be just like this, just click install again. Then after that, you will need to restart the host, this is the unit. Then you can now search Docker desktop. Docker desktop. So it will should look like this. Just wait. Still loading. So let's see if it's already open. And there you go. It should come up with like this one. So you can also sign in when you go for it. So you can just use our Google for this one for our Docker. Just it and always open the Docker desktop. Then there you go. It should to just take a time to load it. So that's how you install. So Docker desktop or Docker in your unit. So it will consist of containers, images, volumes, builds, yeah, Docker scouts, and some extensions that you has. So what will you will use more on it will be the containers and images. So that's on more about Docker desktop. So in the future we'll tackle it more. Thank you.